Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect smart lights after resetting your router. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your smart lights are powered on. Reset your router if it hasn't been done yet. Wait for the router to fully restart. Check that your smartphone or tablet is connected to the Wi-Fi network of your router. Download and open the app associated with your smart lights. Follow the prompts within the app to add a new device. Select the option to connect to your smart lights. Make sure that your smart lights are in pairing mode. If needed, refer to the instructions provided by the manufacturer to activate pairing mode. Once your smart lights are in pairing mode, the app should detect them. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. You may be asked to enter your Wi-Fi password. Ensure that you input the password correctly. Wait for the app to confirm that your smart lights are connected. You might be prompted to name your smart lights for easier control. After naming your lights, test them to ensure they function correctly. If you experience any issues, try resetting the lights and repeating the process. Finally, explore the app's features to maximize your smart lighting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.